We're gonna unbox the Aerox 3 wireless by SteelSeries. So this is the mouse. Alright, it's aerodynamic. In the box we have a manual, USB Type-C cable, Type-C connector, and the receiver. We can plug it in. Again, the connector to the USB Type-C cable. Alright. Set up for the 2.4 gigahertz. And then the light was splashing on my right. That's the Rival 3 wireless. This looks like smaller than the Aero 3 wireless. So this is the software. We can change the DPI setting and the color. 3 zones color. You can change the color by 3 zones. Upper, middle, and lower. Yeah. Alright.